Bullish anchor convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 30 cents by 2030. Market experts accept ANC could reach 13 cents by 2025. Bearish anchor convention market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Anchor convention presentation. You've come to the perfect locations in the event that you're searching for anchor convention value expectations and need to know where the anchor convention cost will go from now on. We'll analyze anchor convention's verifiable information, market patterns, and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, remember that this anticipation and some other expectation ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market investigators, not to add that it is challenging to anticipate whatever exact. In any case, we will really bend over backward. How about we start with the anchor convention value expectation? What is the anchor convention? One of the essential inspirations for the production of digital currencies, anchor convention endeavors to accomplish the depegging of the Terra USD stablecoin and ensuing breakdown of the Luna digital money. Notwithstanding, made it be shaken, and it was a main consideration. Individuals that marked us got a 19.5% payout from the anchor convention. Yet toward the beginning of May 2022, a few huge financial backers pulled out their possessions, causing the amount of us set in anchor to decline. Different financial backers were then provoked to pull out their USD because of this thump on influence. This brought about a run that depegged USD and drove down the cost of Luna. Decentralized finance, frequently known as DeFi, is the crucial standard behind a few blockchains and cryptographic forms of money. It depends on the perception that there are a larger number of individuals with web access than ledgers. DeFi is intended to give clients admittance to run-of-the-mill banks' administrations without expecting them to submit to a particular power. Credits are one help given by banks that can be invaluable for the people DeFi is attempting to reach. The thought that credits might be made through decentralized finance, and especially Bitcoin, can possibly cause a ton of clamor, albeit Compound and other digital currencies are specialists in this field. The issue of whether a cryptographic money could help buyers give credits rather than getting them actually must be replied. As of now, the anchor convention steps in. The Luna digital currency might be acquired in restricted amounts utilizing Anchor, which works on the Land blockchain. Borrowers can involve their own advanced resources as security. The Anchor convention token is granted to supporters of the Land pool. Individuals can contribute ANC to the Getting pool to procure interest, which is paid out in ANC also. Individuals who own Anchor convention Bitcoin successfully have a cryptographic money investment account, which is one more commonplace bank choice that DeFi devotees wish to exploit. At a certain point, the convention was an intriguing possibility since it paid out a sizable amount of interest. In any case, on June 8, 2022, Anchor clients chose to stop its procuring and acquiring abilities after its part in the depegging of the USD stablecoin. The Land blockchain and the Luna digital money were both made by Korean crypto business visionaries Daniel Shin and Do Kwon, who likewise sent off the coin. The cash entered the open business sectors in WOC 2021, and the convention was at first presented in mid-2021. ANC isn't a coin, yet a token rather in light of the fact that it runs on the Land exemplary blockchain. Despite the fact that inferences to things like an Anchor convention coin cost estimate or an ANC coin value expectation might show up, they are completely inaccurate. Anchor convention current cost. Anchor convention is at present worth 3 cents USD. ANC has moved 1.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,634,499. Anchor convention is at present position 669 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $10,882,597 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Anchor convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Anchor convention value forecast 2023. In 2023, Anchor convention ANC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a NC will before long outperform 7 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ANC's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ANC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 6 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 6 cents. Anchor convention value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 10 cents and ANC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ANC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 9 cents and a low of 9 cents in 2024. Anchor convention value forecast 2025. in the event that Anchor Convention effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans. The ANC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ANC will be green in 2025. The ANC is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 13 cents, with a base cost of 12 cents and a typical cost of 13 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ANC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 16 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 15 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ANC has a most extreme value worth of 17 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 19 cents. On the off chance that ANC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 20 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ANC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 18 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2028. While ANC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 21 cents and a yearly cost close above 23 cents in 2028. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Anchor Convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 24 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 26 cents, averaging out at 25 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ANC cost in 2030 is projected to be 30 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 29 cents. And, however, apparently an independent digital currency. Numerous financial backers are by worried about Anchor Convention's association with the land environment and Luna coin, particularly considering late withdrawals, the depegging of UST, and the breakdown of Luna. Second, since digital currency is still in its outset, it is obscure the number of borrowers that utilizing the Anchor Convention are as a matter of fact unbanked. There is generally an opportunity that the framework will be utilized for not great reasons. Thirdly, it's consistently possible that another, more independent crypto framework might arise and achieve what Anchor Convention does, yet more actually, furnishing clients with better yields and at last filling in fame. Fourthly, and perhaps most altogether right now, there are presently no means to bring in cash or acquire cash through the framework, essentially not until the 8th of June vote is upset. Continuously use alert while managing digital money. What is the Anchor Convention cost today? Today, Anchor Convention is exchanging at 3 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $10